shift our attention now to the BJP workshop. First images from the workshop are now out. The two-day Karyashala or workshop that has started in the Parliament complex. Now, as we told you, the BJP MPs are having their workshop today where they are starting right from the basics. And you can see Prime Minister Modi there, like we mentioned. Sources have already told us that the Prime Minister is sitting in the last row. So all the BJP MPs from across the country are in attendance, and the Prime Minister is seated in the last row, an indication and something that he has spoken of often, that he is just a Karyakarta in the party. So the Prime Minister listening intently, seated in the last row along with the other party MPs. And these are the first visuals from the BJP's training workshop that's currently underway, where the history of the party, strategy, performance and the outlook is all going to be discussed. My colleague Mohit Bhatt joins us on the broadcast. And Mohit, just as we were mentioning, the Prime Minister seen seated on the last row but listening intently to the workshop.
Yes, in fact, and when it comes to the BJP as a party, Prime Minister has always maintained that he is the Karyakarta of the BJP. He works on the ground for the BJP, and everybody is equal when it comes to the functioning of the structure of the BJP. And as we can see in these visuals, that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi is sitting with the other MPs on the last row. There is no specific or special protocol for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is sitting over there and attending the workshop. As a Karyakarta of the BJP, as a BJP member of parliament. And remember, this two-day Karyashala is also very important because in this Karyashala, it speaks about the history of the BJP and how exactly BJP and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for the country, how India needs to be self-reliant, how Make in India is happening, and how India will become a Viksit Bharat by 2047 as per the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So this Karyashala is very important. All those aspects are being discussed in this Karyashala, and in the afternoon, sometime from now, we'll have a session on social media. But what we see is a very, very strong image coming in from the meeting of Prime Minister Narendra Modi sitting like a Karyakarta. No special protocol, no special security, nothing VIP. It's just Prime Minister sitting over there with all the MPs. It's not that the PM is sitting with all the ministers, but he's sitting with all the MPs and listening to the workshop just like a common Karyakarta of the BJP. And PM has always maintained this, that no matter that he has become the Prime Minister, he has a specific protocol. But when it comes to the BJP, when it comes to the ideology, when it comes to the functioning of the party, and when it comes to the structure of the BJP, he will always remain a common man. So this is something that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has brought to the politics. This is something that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always been speaking about, that we need to shed the VVIP system. We need to shed the VVIP racism. We all need to work for the country.
And Mohit, the Prime Minister has often spoken about the same as well, isn't it? He has said that he is a Karyakarta in the party. Do stay with us. We have the BJP's Pradeep Bhandari on the phone line with us. Thank you for joining us. Pradeep, the Prime Minister has often spoken about how he is just a Karyakarta in the party, and he is seen embodying that ideal, as we're seeing from the pictures from this workshop where the Prime Minister is seated on the last row.
Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is an inspiration for each and every Karyakarta of us. All of us get inspired from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's entire actions and the way he guides us. With this, Prime Minister has sent a message to everybody across the country, and in fact in the party also, that for the Honorable Prime Minister, it's the Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party who's supreme, and he is at the end of the day a Karyakarta. This tells you a marked difference between the culture in the Bharatiya Janata Party vis-a-vis the Congress Party. In the Congress Party, you have Parivar first. In the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Prime Minister set the message that it's the Karyakarta first.
Okay, all right, Pradeep, thank you for joining us. The Prime Minister has often, of course, also said that he is a Karyakarta of the party, and this is a workshop for all the MPs of the party. So MPs are all attending, and this is a parliamentary workshop that's taking place in the national capital. All members of parliament are in attendance. So there are two themes that the BJP is focusing on: towards a developed India by 2047 and the effective use of social media by the MPs. So the workshop started with the ideals of the BJP and is also going to be speaking about the current issues. So Mohit, what are the issues that are going to be discussed? What else is expected in the workshop?
Well, yes, Pratibha. This is a very, very important workshop. This will go on for 2 days. Now, various things would be discussed in this particular workshop. Various sessions would be there. Now, the first session that was from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. was about the highlights of the vision of a developed India of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, Kavita Patidar moderated the proceedings. Now, it had various subsections. It was about self-reliant India, Swadeshi India, on which Sudhanshu Trivedi spoke, ease of doing business, on which Bansuri Swaraj spoke, youth power and employment, which was being handled by Dr. Hemang Joshi, who is also a BJP MP. So these are the issues. You see, what exactly is the message by the BJP with this Karyashala? That all the MPs we will be told about government's vision, about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision, that what exactly government is doing. And you remember, Pratibha, Prime Minister on multiple occasions have spoken about that how social media should be used by every single leader or worker of the BJP to ensure that the works of the government, that what government is doing on the ground, the benefits.
Yes, so training the MPs as well to be efficient in the parliament. Do stay with us. Just a moment, Mohit, I'll come back to you. We have Mr. Ameek Jamai also on the phone line with us. Mr. Ameek Jamai, we're getting visuals from the BJP workshop. It is focusing on the current issues as well as the ideals of the BJP and the Prime Minister seated on the last row with the other BJP MPs. What would you want to say?
देखिए, सोशल मीडिया की जहाँ पे बात हो रही है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब भी बैठे हुए हैं। हिटलर का एक डिपार्टमेंट था पूरा, प्रोपेगेंडा मिनिस्ट्री। तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि सीधे सीधे मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग का जो नाम है, प्रोपेगेंडा मिनिस्ट्री कर देना चाहिए। और किसी जो हमारे गृहमंत्री अमित शाह जी, आप सोचिए कि उन्होंने कितने गंदे गंदे वीडियोस उत्तर प्रदेश के हमारे देश के बड़े नेता युवाओं की आवाज माननीय अखिलेश जी के लिए कितने गंदे जो फेक न्यूज है वहां से चलवाए। तो एक बात तो ये होगी। दूसरी बात, ये कार्यशाला में आप क्या सिखाएंगे बताइए आप? चाहे वो डेवलपमेंट का इशू हो, इन्वेस्टमेंट का इशू है। भारत में कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करना चाहता है। सारे जो कॉर्पोरेट्स हैं, आप सोचिए कि जो कहीं नरेंद्र मोदी जी के साथ खड़े थे, आज सब भाग रहे हैं उनके साथ, क्योंकि भारत में वो माहौल नहीं है इन्वेस्टमेंट का। और सीमा सुरक्षा की बात हुई, सिक्योरिटी की बात हुई, सोशल जस्टिस की बात हुई। तो आप क्या सिखाएंगे कि उनको जाके क्या बताना है? बिहार तो बीजेपी के हाथ से पूरे तरीके से निकल चुका है। आप कार्यशाला में नफरत कैसे फैलाना है, जातियों को कैसे लड़ाना है, धर्म को कैसे लड़ाना है, यही सिखा सकते हैं आप। हमारे कोई दूसरा एजेंडा तो है नहीं।
जी, आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट और इकोनॉमी की बात की। Sources are also suggesting that the Prime Minister will also be felicitate. उनको felicitate भी किया जाएगा जो GST reforms लाए गए हैं उसके लिए। In the workshop he will also be felicitated.
देखिए, आपको मालूम था कि आप GST के रिफॉर्म नहीं, आप GST में जब आपने लादा, भाई स्टेट का कोई प्रोडक्शन, इसमें सेंटर का क्या लेना देना है? प्रधानमंत्री ने टैरिफ का जो पूरा मामला है 50% टैरिफ का, आज प्रधानमंत्री को इस बात का श्रेय दिया जाना चाहिए कि आपने भदोही का कारपोर्ट एक्सपो बर्बाद कर दिया, आपने मुरादाबाद का मेटल इंडस्ट्री बर्बाद कर दिया, आपने कन्नौज का, कानपुर का, उन्नाव का, आगरा का टेनरी इंडस्ट्री, 3-3 हजार के माल हमारे नवाशिया मुंबई पोर्ट पे पड़े हुए हैं। इसके लिए प्रधानमंत्री को मुबारकबाद तो दिया जाना चाहिए। बिल्कुल दीजिए आप मुबारकबाद इनको।
Okay, all right. Ameek Jamai, thank you for joining us. We also have Ajay Alok on the phone line with us, and many from the opposition, including Ameek Jamai, are saying that the workshop is on the effective use of social media by the MPs, but only hatred is being spread by the party. There is a lot that the party needs to improve. There's nothing that will come out of the workshop. That's what they go on to criticize. How would you respond?
See, I don't respond to unorganized people who are filled with hatred, who have nothing to do with their own organization. They don't care for their own organization. They don't care for the country. They don't care for the respect. What we are doing right now as a BJP, as a party in the parliament, that we are just conducting a workshop for all our MPs, and who are not MPs, they are Karyakartas. They are not ministers, they are Karyakartas. They are not prime minister, they are Karyakartas. वहां पे कोई मंत्री प्रधानमंत्री नहीं है, सब कार्यकर्ता की तरह बैठे हुए हैं। क्या करना है ये तय किया जा रहा है और कैसे करना है, यही अंतर है भारतीय जनता पार्टी में और दूसरी पार्टी में। और इसीलिए शायद हम 11 साल से इस देश की सत्ता में है, इसीलिए हम 18 राज्यों में सत्ता में हैं, और इसीलिए हमारा ग्राफ बढ़ते जा रहा है, और इसीलिए भारत की जनता हमें पसंद कर रही है। हमारे यहाँ कोई एक आदमी की सरपरस्ती नहीं, एक आदमी का डिक्टेटरशिप नहीं है, तो वो कहेगा वैसे ही चलेगा। And these people don't understand that. Whether it is a SP, whether it is RJD or the biggest Gandhi Congress, they don't understand all these things. For them, it is the family first. For us, it's the nation first. That is the basic difference. And that's how we organize ourselves. And right now, there's a training workshop going on for the 2 days. It will continue for 2 days. And the result will be reflected in the coming days.
Okay, so what are the issues that are going to be discussed, Mr. Ajay Alok? Well, I also want to make a mention. You mentioned that, for the BJP, all Karyakartas are the same. We're also getting in images where the Prime Minister is also seen seated in the last row like any other Karyakarta.
See, in BJP, anyone can become the Prime Minister if he deserves. It's not you have to come from a particular family or something. How you deal yourself, how you present yourself in the public, what is your foray in the public, that is the most important requirement. And how much you have done for the organization and how do you care for the country. भारतीय जनता पार्टी कोई परिवार विशेष की पार्टी नहीं, ये देश की पार्टी है.
Okay.
और बीजेपी का मतलब भारत की अंतरात्मा.
Okay. All right, Mr. Ajay Alok, thank you for joining us. We have, in fact, more breaking updates coming in. We have details of what's happening in the meeting currently. The meeting is going on, and we have the inside scoop of what's happening there. Now, the GST reform